If you are still using subqueries in real-world data system, that's a production disaster. Because the main aim is not only getting the desired results, but also how to get those results without killing the servers. So in this lecture, I will be teaching you how to write the clean, fast, and interview-ready codes. When I joined my first company 2 years ago, I used to write the concept of subqueries for each of my SQL queries. Until one day, my senior manager looked at my query and said, for each subquery, SQL is going to search the entire database for each particular row of the table. So that is not a query. That is production disaster waiting to happen. In order to understand this use case, we will be using this example. Here, we have to find the first high value order for every customer. We are using the orders table here, and high value order stands for any order where the total amount is greater than $1,000. So here we can quickly see the table also. Let's say the customer with customer ID 1 has made the two transactions, and the first transaction where the total amount is greater than $1,000 is $1,200. So this row should be returned after running this query. So let's try to quickly run this query and see what should be the output. Okay, so we got this results after running this query. But wait, we are getting the data for customer ID 1 and customer ID 3. But what for the customer with customer ID 2? Because the first transaction is of $800, and because it is not a high value order, but the query should have returned this record with order ID 104 for customer 2, but it's not returning this when we are using this subquery. So that is a glitch. So we have learned the concept of subquery not only slow down the process and the servers, but it sometimes also gives the wrong results. In the next section, we will be learning the concept of CTE, that is stands for Common Table Expression in SQL. What is CTE in SQL? We can understand CTE like a virtual box. And inside those virtual box, we can type the SQL query, and we can use that particular query in our code. Because we use the concept of CTE, the SQL is going to select only those rows where the total amount is greater than 1000. This is solving the issue that we were facing in the earlier approach of subqueries. Now let's continue. We have already defined the CTE. Now we have to use them. Now let's run this query and see what is the output we are getting this time. So see, we got these proper output here. So this time we are getting the customer 2 also because of the use of concept of CTE. It is because of this filter that we have applied for filtering all the transactions where total amount is greater than 1000. So remember, the real question wasn't just how to write the code, it was how to keep your data accurate. Using a CTE didn't just make your query faster, it saved customers to data also. This is the difference between a student who knows the syntax and an engineer who understands the system. So that's all about the today's lecture. Thank you for watching this video. I am Soumya and I will see you in the next video.